Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to delete missing values, the row of the missing value. You can see this is a null value and this is the null and this is null and this is null. Okay, so we need to delete this row and this one and this one and this one. Okay, so how to do that? Let me do it for you. Let me show this tf data.show and let me run this one. You can see the data is coming. Okay, and let me print something like dropping rows of missing null values. So what we are going to do, we are going to create another data frame df, and then we are going to use na, and then drop function, and then we are going to show this df. So let me run this one and let me verify. Okay, so you can see this this row is deleted, and again this row is deleted, and again this row also deleted, and first one also deleted, since it has a null value here. Okay, so this is how you can drop rows of missing values. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe. This is the configuration of the Spark program. So I'll going to provide this one on my description. Thank you.